Hello dear spectators, hello dear participants of SovElMash project. As usual, I'm Alexander Sodrev here with us, and we are not in the territory of SovElMash. In this video, once again, we came to the city of Yaroslavl and visited a strong company factory. This is our subcontractor for making metal structures. Actually, the zone of responsibility of a strong company is a bit more than making metal structures, but I think that you will learn about it in details from our following videos. And in this reporting, you will learn many interesting things. I think that many of you have already noticed that we are on the backyard. Here there are loading docks. Now let's go inside, and there the experts of the company will tell us why we actually have come here today. And now we are in a very interesting location. This is Quality Control Department, and behind me you can see the first box that will be shipped to SovElMash project. Here we have very relevant things, including high-strength bolts, and I think that the most interesting thing that I'm holding right now is assembly documentation for assemblers to know how to actually build this building. This is a very important document. And here you can see the tag. It states that Quality Control Department of Astron Company has checked this box. It has checked its completeness and quality. And here we can also see the date and the person that actually checked it. Now we are in the shipment section. Here the first cars that will go to SovElMash project are being loaded. Behind me you can see the main frame for SovElMash project, and on these tags you can see the numbers, number of the detail, number of the project, and the barcode by which you will be able to monitor the cycle of this detail. Today, first 3 cars will be loaded, and in future many other cars will be loaded. 2 cars are being loaded right now, and in about an hour another car will come and it will be loaded as well. But the video is not over yet. You will learn even more interesting things. You will see the continuation. That's why stay with us, and now you will understand what I'm speaking about. And now we will go to the territory of rented premises of SovElMash. Here, everyone is very busy, and before the new year, every employee should fulfill the tasks that had been set for them. They should do it accurately and in a timely manner. That's why now we will go to some departments and learn what they are doing. Okay, what are we working at now? Well, now we will transport the winded motor to the laboratory. We will put it on the booth to conduct further tests. Artur Anatolievich, hello. Hello. What are you doing now? We are working alone various departments where they let us come and ask people what they are doing. Well, actually right now we are checking the construction statements of cost estimates for the construction of Project Design Technological Bureau. And why are we doing that? We are checking the costs of work, so we are updating the information in the statements of estimates for them to be appropriate. And how difficult is this process? Are there many employees that are fulfilling this work? Yes, this is a very labor-intensive process and it takes us a lot of time. So, there are a lot of employees from different departments that are fulfilling this work, that are checking the statements of cost estimates. Distinguished colleagues, now we are at the construction site where the Project Design Technological Bureau SovElMash will be built. And right now you can see the unloading of metal structures that were made by Astron company, and they will be used to assemble the future design bureau. Many people asked us about the processes that are going on at the construction site, so they are very busy. Many people have been waiting for it for a year or even longer, and finally this moment has come very soon. And time really flies. Very soon we will see the growth of this building, and we will also try to make a recording of this moment, and we will demonstrate it to you, for you to feel these emotions that we will experience ourselves. Actually, This year for SovElMash company was quite difficult. The project has had a lot of trials. So a lot of work has been done, new patents have been received, state audits and commissions have been passed, we received the permits for construction and so on and so forth. But today you can see it by yourself that the result of this year is the unloading of metal structures at the construction site. I think that this is very illustrative and you understand what is awaiting us. And, dear spectators, in the new year I would like to wish you stay brief and I wish you success in all your projects. I think that together we will manage to finish this project.